Hi, my name is Mark Troutman. I'm a litigation attorney with the law firm of Isaac, Brandt, Ledman, and Teeter. I'm here today to continue my series of video blogs on public records law in Ohio. Today's topic is the Supreme Court's recent pronouncement in the State Ex Rel Rocker v. Guernsey County Sheriff's Office case. The site is 2010 Ohio 3288 if you're looking on the Supreme Court's online website. The State Ex Rel Rocker case, which I'll refer to as Rocker, concerned a woman who claimed that she had been sexually abused by a priest in the early 1990s. She filed a police report in January 2008 with the Guernsey County Sheriff's Office that subsequently investigated the entire case before a grand jury ultimately failed to indict the priest. After the indictment didn't come down, Mrs. Rocker requested a complete investigatory file that the Sheriff's Office had, and the Sheriff's Office withheld much of the file, nearly all the file, under RC 14943, capital A to lowercase a, which is also known as the Uncharged Suspect exception. Mrs. Rocker got the same answer from the Court of Appeals and ultimately appealed to the Ohio Supreme Court, that in a somewhat surprising decision reversed and held that pretty much everything but the priest's name and the parish and some other very specific identifying information needed to be disclosed. What the court held was that the uncharged suspect exception shouldn't be viewed broad enough to withhold entire case files when all you really need to do to protect that person after they're not charged is protect their name and some other identifying information like their address, in this case the chief's or the priest's parish, and other kind of information like that. This is sort of a departure from the standard that we've used for numerous years, in that we always thought that if an uncharged suspect was somehow identified through turning over a file, that you could essentially keep from turning over the entire file. The dissent, which was filed by Justice O'Donnell, really picked up on this issue. The dissent feared that you can really get the same information because in this case Rocker knew what priest we were talking about. So Rocker and whoever she chooses to disclose that to, essentially that priest didn't have the protections that the uncharged suspect exception was supposed to be giving them. So this is another sign that the Ohio Supreme Court is going very public records friendly to Ohio citizens, and something that we, especially our various law enforcement entities across the state, should keep in mind when dealing with this exception. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Again, my name is Mark Troutman with Isaac, Brandt, Ledman, and Teeter. My phone number is 614-221-2121. My email, mht@isaacbrant.com. Thank you.